हाई कोर्ट को आप, अगर मैं चीफ सेक्रेटरी को आज लिख दूंगा तो आप, यू मे बी इन ट्रबल. This high court is not to be taken lightly. You are not above the high court. You are there to serve the poor people. And if we call you not to see your face. We call you to seek, to get assistance because your counsel are not in a position to assist. मतलब यह है कि एक आदेश है तो हम जो है पीछे पीछे घूमेंगे कि सब आदेश है, आप हमें मुआवजा दीजिए, ऐसा प्रावधान है लॉ में, बताइएगा. अच्छी स्टेट वो होती है जो कि अपनी गलती स्वीकार करती है और अपने सब्जेक्ट या सिटीजन को जो बेनिफिट ड्यू है वो देती है. आपको कलेक्टर इसलिए नहीं बनाया गया है कि आप जो है उनके जो वाजिब हक हैं उनका उल्लंघन करें, उनका शोषण करें.
Lord, the officer is present before your lordship, Lord.
What is the order?
At the outset, Lord, I'm tendering our very humble apologies, Lord.
बोलो जी, आपको जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं sir, the council could not assist your lordship properly. I'm very sorry.
ऑर्डर पढ़िएगा कल का.
Lord, Shri Atul Dwivedi has produced a notification of the land acquisition issued by the collector Rewa dated 10/5/91, when he is asked to show cause as to when compensation was paid in favor of the petitioner in terms of the notification that shows intention to acquire land contained in survey number 493 measuring 0.425 hectare. He is not in a position to assist the court. This is a serious matter that advocates representing the state are not prepared to assist the court. Reluctantly, I direct Collector Rewa to remain personally present to assist the court. This is the case tomorrow on 7/1/2025 on top of the list, when the Collector Rewa shall remain personally present before this court.
ये बताइएगा, जब आपने लैंड एक्वायर कर ली, मुआवजा किस तारीख को दिया?
Lord, the award was, I prepared a very short chronology. Lord, number 6, Lord. 7/6/93. On 7/6/93, the award was passed by the land acquisition officer. What had happened, Lord, the money was kept ready. They did not accept the money, Lord.
Where is the where is the denial document?
We have the original records.
Petition.
There is, in fact, they had appeared.
Where is the
original document, Lord, the file would reflect, Lord, that they appeared.
They appeared, they replied to it.
The document number 1 that is there, I'll just hand over the
document number 1 is the notification under section 4.
यहाँ पे सर उनका रिप्लाई है जो हमने क्रोनोलॉजी में अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ लगाया था. This is the original. ये ओरिजिनल ऑर्डर शीट है Lord. They had filed their objection also, Lord, and they had filed their वकालतनामा भी उनका ओरिजिनल लगा है.
प्लीज, ये 91 की ऑर्डर शीट दिखा रहे हैं आप. अवार्ड पारित हुआ 7/6/93 को. 7/6/93 को कब आपने ऑफर किया, उसके बाद इनको कंपनसेशन, और इन्होंने कब डिनाई किया, उतनी डेट बता दीजिए. डॉक्यूमेंट दिखा
सर. उसके बाद ये हाई कोर्ट आ गया सर.
अरे भाई, हाई कोर्ट ने ये कहा क्या कि आप इनको अवार्ड का पैसा मत दीजिए?
नहीं.
स्टे था क्या?
नहीं.
कहाँ है वो ऑर्डर, बताइए. हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर बताइए.
Lord, that's document number 3 में.
कॉपी ऑफ नोटिस एंड एक्नॉलेजमेंट रिसीव्ड. कौन सा? ये जो आपने दिया है इसी में से बता रहे हैं ना, क्रोनोलॉजी का?
जी.
इसका सीरियल नंबर
3 Lord at page 6.
पेज 6 क्या है उसमें?
ये order is on page 7, Lord. The order passed by the High Court. This is the applicant number 6, Rajesh Kumar Tiwari, is present in person and is heard on IA number so and so for amendment of the petition and joining the applicants mentioned therein as petitioners. Since the petitioner have no objection to it, the application is allowed. The applicants are permitted to join as petitioners. Let the petition be amended within 10 days. IA number so and so for stay is also considered. The stay order dated 19/8/93 passed in favor of the original petitioners will also accrue to the benefit of the newly added petitioners. And these newly added petitioners will also not be dispossessed from the land under acquisition.
Where is this order dated 1993? रिकॉर्ड से दिखाइएगा वकील साहब।
जी, my lord.
क्या है ये? क्या है?
93 का डू।
उसकी कॉपी उनको भी दीजिए ना, ऐसे थोड़ा ना होता है, स्टे कागज थोड़ा ना दिए जाते हैं हाई कोर्ट में।
My lord, will your lordship may either grant us time, lord, we'll file.
Today case is fixed
Sir, we
because
great-
we were not assisted. This court was not given assistance. Therefore, we called your collector.
lordship.
Your collector's license to practice will be cancelled. He has given a very fabricated certificate, very frivolous and fabricated certificate.
with greatest.
But since doctor is not before this court, I am not taking any action against him. Now I will not grant you any time. You are required to address this court right now.
Lord, I'll
Straight
get
away.
copies of this order done, Lord, and then I'll hand it. Or your lordship may direct, Lord, my learned friend will see the order.
कॉपी कराइए ना, यहाँ
Copy करवा।
कॉपी करवाइए, जूनियर को भेजिए,
But,
उसके बाद रिफर करिए। जो
Lord,
भी दस्तावेज रिफर कर रहे हैं उसकी कॉपी होना चाहिए।
Lord, we'll get it.
इस तरीके से लाइटली मत लीजिए हाई कोर्ट को आप। अगर मैं चीफ सेक्रेटरी को आज लिख दूंगा तो आप यू मे बी इन ट्रबल।
I'm taking notes, sir. Sir.
This high court is not to be taken lightly. You are not above the high court. You are there to serve the poor people. And if we call you not to see your face. We call you to seek, to get assistance because your counsel are not in a position to assist. This I have noted yesterday. We have no personal work from you. इतनी एरोगेंस मत दिखाइए। मुझे तारीख बताइए, इसमें पोजीशन की बात आ रही है, मुआवजा देने से, पे करने से कहाँ रोका गया ये बताइए।
That order was challenged by them, Lord.
Order may have been challenged, but in the first place, you are required to show that you raised first argument that this gentleman refused to accept the compensation.
Yeah.
Now, complete that argument. Show me a document that you offered him compensation, then you changed the line. और आप उस पर आ गए कि साहब नहीं वो तो हाई कोर्ट से स्टे हो गया था। अब आप मुझे दिखाइए, एक करके चलिए, आपके तीनों आर्गुमेंट मीट करूंगा मैं। अब ये दिखाइए कि हाई कोर्ट से मुआवजा देने पर स्टे था। अब आपने तीसरा आर्गुमेंट किया दैट ऑर्डर वाज चैलेंज्ड। नाउ वेयर इज दैट ऑर्डर चैलेंजिंग दिस ऑर्डर ऑफ लर्नेड सिंगल जज?
नहीं, ये
तो डीबी का ऑर्डर है।
चैलेंज दी अवार्ड।
हाँ।
अवार्ड उन्होंने चैलेंज किया।
किसने?
पिटिशनर।
नहीं किया था, उस पे पोजीशन पर स्टे था, पैसे देने के भुगतान पे स्टे था क्या? उनका केस ये है कि क्योंकि 2013 के अधिनियम आने तक आपने भुगतान नहीं किया है, इसलिए अब नए एक्ट के प्रावधान लागू होंगे। यही केस है ना आपका?
सर क्या?
अब आप मुझे सिर्फ डेट्स बता दीजिए, 4 डेट्स बता दीजिए। आपने अवार्ड की डेट बता दी, ठीक है, 7/6/2013 1993, ठीक है, मान गए इसको। अब इसके बाद ये आपने पहला आर्गुमेंट जो किया वो दस्तावेज दिखा दीजिए that you offered compensation and they refused to accept compensation.
तो मालूम है कि अवार्ड हो गया।
नहीं yes नहीं,
उसके
don't make a frivolous argument. You raised it, everything is recorded. You raised an argument in front of the collector saying that they refuse to take the compensation. Refusal comes when something is offered. Now show me the document that this amount was offered to them and they refused to accept the compensation. Please, I will not allow you to change the track.
The award was there. The award is there. They
मतलब यह है कि एक आदेश है तो हम जो है पीछे पीछे घूमेंगे कि सब आदेश है, आप हमें मुआवजा दीजिए, ऐसा प्रावधान है लॉ में? बताइएगा 1894 के एक्ट को पढ़ के बताइएगा कि जिस व्यक्ति की भूमि एक्वायर की गई है वह कलेक्टर साहब के पीछे पीछे घूमेगा कि साहब मुझे मुआवजा दे दीजिए। आपने जो पेड, कम टू द सेकंड आर्गुमेंट नाउ, देन वी विल एग्जामिन योर सेकंड आर्गुमेंट।
I'll just verify.
Compensation was not paid. They the award was government दिया।
Sir,
They went for
I apologize. The compensations were not paid. When the award was passed, they did not turn up to accept.
When was notice given? Now the law says, मैडम आपने पढ़ा है एक्ट की नहीं पढ़ा है? हैं? बताइए किस प्रावधान में है कि आप नोटिस देंगी कंपनसेशन लेने के लिए? बताइए. Now I'll ask you. Give me the provision which says that a person who has been ousted from the land will come to the collector asking for compensation. Please show me the provision. Show me the provision. आपने तो पढ़ा है ना एक्ट, मसूरी में भी पढ़ाया जाता है. और फिर जब आप कलेक्टर हैं तो यहाँ रोज पढ़ती होंगे कानून. कहाँ प्रावधान है कि लैंड आउस्टी आएगा मुआवजा मांगते हुए? इज अ बेगर. चलिए अब वो बताइए ऑर्डर जिसमें कि आपको मुआवजा देने से स्टे किया गया, और वो ऑर्डर शीट दिखाइए जिसमें आपने नोट किया क्योंकि ये पिटीशन पेंडिंग है इसलिए मुआवजा नहीं दिया जा सकता, या मुझे मुआवजा देने से रोका गया है स्टे के चलते हुए, इसलिए जो है मुआवजा का भुगतान नहीं कर रहे. तो दिखाइए ऑर्डर शीट. लिखिएगा. श्री राजेंद्र सिंह, लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर द पिटिशनर. श्री हरप्रीत सिंह रूपरा, लर्नेड सीनियर एडवोकेट, असिस्टेड बाय श्री आकाश मालपानी, along with डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर श्रीमती, आपका शुभ नाम बताइए.
प्रतिभा पाल.
मिस श्रीमती प्रतिभा पाल. नेक्स्ट. 3 arguments have been put forth by श्री हरप्रीत सिंह रूपरा, namely 1, 2, 3 करके लिखिएगा. 1, petitioner had refused to accept the compensation and therefore petition deserves to be dismissed. 2, petitioners had filed a writ petition before the High Court seeking enhancement of the compensation, and that miscellaneous petition was registered as MP number 2559 of 1993. Therefore, compensation was not paid. Third argument is that since there was an stay from the High Court, therefore compensation could not be paid. Full stop. Next paragraph. When examined, then first, in support of first argument, contradictory statements are being made in the open court by learned additional advocate general and the collector Riva. Full stop. They have changed the track and say that petitioner never approached the collector to seek compensation. Full stop. Next, when learned collector is requested to show legal provision forcing a land oustee to approach the collector and beg for compensation, she is not in a position to assist, though she agrees that, though she submits that she has read the Land Acquisition Act 1894. Full stop. Next one. Perusal of order dated 3/9/93 reveals that the stay was only in relation to dispossession and there is no mention of the fact of not paying the compensation for the land already acquired. लाइए वो आगे ऑर्डर 1993 का फोटो कॉपी होकर आई दीजिए, एक कॉपी राजेंद्र सिंह जी को दे दीजिए. Full stop. There is a reference to the order dated 19/8/93 which reads as under, within inverted commas, petitioner number 6 present in person. Full stop. Next slide. He is heard on IA number 6848/93 for further orders on stay. Full stop. Next para. The notices as directed by this court, apostrophe essay, order dated 30/6/93 have not been issued even though the PF was paid in time. Full stop. Apparently, this is a mistake of the office of the High Court. Full stop. Considering the fact that the petitioners are likely to dispossessed, comma, it is directed that the possession of the petitioners over the land under acquisition will not be disturbed until further orders of this court, full stop. Notices as per the order of this court, comma, dated 30/6/93 be issued immediately and the matter be listed as soon the respondents are served, full stop, inverted commas closed. Thus, it is evident that award was never stayed by Honorable Division Bench of this High Court, full stop. In fact, this miscellaneous petition came to be dismissed by order dated 25/6/2002. Copy of the order is produced by Shri Rupra along with chronological events / synopsis, which is undated and which has been handed over today during the open court proceedings, full stop. Thus, now the onus is on the collector to explain that once these petitions were dismissed in 2002, firstly, when notices were issued to the petitioner asking them to collect compensation or sending the check of compensation, full stop. She will also give the check number, etc., if any was prepared by the collector or his subordinates to be handed over to the petitioner, full stop. If any check / draft was prepared in the name of the petitioner, photocopy of the same will also be enclosed by the collector, full stop. Next. They will also point out that what legal opinion was taken in regard to the orders of the High Court dated 19/8/93 and 3/9/93, full stop. They will also point out, she will also point out from the order sheets of the file that taking these orders into consideration, collector or the land acquisition officer had directed to not to disburse the compensation, full stop. Next paragraph. Collector will also point out that when the petition was dismissed by order dated 25/6/2002, then what steps were taken to disburse compensation in favor of the petitioners, full stop. Let these documents be filed by tomorrow. This case will be taken up at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow.
May I submit my note? I'm representing respondent number 2, Housing Board.
हाँ ठीक है श्री आपका शुभ नाम डाल दीजिए
Ananya Mishra.
अनन्य मिश्रा फॉर रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 2 कल सुबह 10:30 तक फाइल कर दीजिए ये सारी जानकारी 2:30 बजे मुकदमा लेंगे 2:30 बजे आप उपस्थित रहिएगा
Sure.
कलेक्टर इज डायरेक्टेड टू रिमेन पर्सनली प्रेजेंट एट 2:30 p.m. और एक बात आपको और बता देते हैं मैडम, अच्छी स्टेट वो होती है जो कि अपनी गलती स्वीकार करती है और अपने सब्जेक्ट या सिटीजन को जो बेनिफिट ड्यू है वो देती है।
Sir.
आपको कलेक्टर इसलिए नहीं बनाया गया है कि आप जो है उनके जो वाजिब हक हैं उनका उल्लंघन करें, उनका शोषण करें।
Sir.
ठीक है, कीप दिस इन माइंड।
Sir.